Here I have Nokia 5.3, and today I'm going to show you how to create folders on the home screen on this device. So if you want to create folder with some specific apps, what you have to do is to just, for example, if you want to create games folder, you just hold your finger on the game, then make it like this, throw it on the other app, and the folder will be created automatically. As you can see, I have unnamed folder here, and as you can see now I have drag another games here, and now I have this folder here, and that's how it's done. You can create another folders. For example, you can create folder with other apps by just doing it like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.